welcome to my channel. I wanted to show you how I made this cute little bookmark. I did make a short video in case you wanted to see it, but it's sped up, so if you wanted to follow along, this one's a little slower and I'll talk you through the steps to make this. I used one of my copy paper Gelli print pages, and this one had some stamping on it. I just cut it into a square, so it has to be a perfect square, doesn't matter what size. Mine happened to be 4.5 by 4.5, and then I folded it in half both ways, so you have 4 squares on the page now. Then you want to cut one of the squares out. Once the corner is cut out, you can fold it and you'll see there's a little corner you want to cut off. I used this little edge, a little decorative edge here to cut mine out. Once it's cut out, then I realized I wanted something on the inside of mine, so I took that little piece that I cut out and I made sure I folded it to make sure it would show when it was all folded. I glued that on. I fold that in first, then I glue the other side on top of that one. So now you have it completely closed, and this is essentially what your bookmark looks like. I just had to clean up the edges a little bit. Then I wanted to put a ribbon on the top, so I just cut a little hole in the top that was big enough for my ribbon and just stuffed it in there. To close it up, I wanted to just glue it down, so I used that glue until it was firm, that way that ribbon wasn't going to pull out of there. For the remainder of the ribbon, I just reached in as far as I could without cutting the paper and just trimmed the rest of that ribbon off. Now I wanted to decorate it. I was trying to figure out what I wanted to put on there. I was thinking butterflies, but I didn't have any small enough, so I decided to use these small little flowers that I had. They are from Spellbinders. I ended up putting a piece of vinyl, I guess it's holographic vinyl, over a piece of paper, and then I cut out these little flowers. I added these leaves that are also in this die cut set. Once all the leaves were on, then I started layering on the flowers. They're nice and sparkly. They shine a lot because of the holographic. I put some centers. These are also part of the die cut set. These are also cut from another piece of leftover Gelli print that I was using. And this is what it looks like all finished. It fits very nicely over the corner of a book, and it actually does lay flat, so you don't have to worry about ruining your book. The die cuts, I made sure they were flat and not dimensional, so it does really keep your page nice, and it looks so cute. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. There's a lot more Gelli print type things I've been working on lately that I'd love to show you.